Hallo, hier bin ich wieder. It's me again. This video is a video related to another video we have already online. It's a video with these cards. I don't know if you remember. If you do not remember these words or this video, you can watch it or you can continue with this video. But this video is related to the other video because we will talk about the plural form today, the plural of nouns in German. And as you can imagine, there is no special and easy rule. There are a lot of exceptions, but I can give you some tips. Which are these rules? Maybe I will start with the easiest one. If you hear words ending on E, like Katze, Katze, then you just add the N and then you have the plural, Katzen. And by the way, the plural article, this is really easy. Yeah, it's an exception. It's always die, like the female. So der, die, das in singular. In plural, the article is always die. Okay, Katze. Gut. Oder Hose, and the plural is Hosen. Okay, then the second rule is you just add the E after the singular form of the noun, like Hund, Hunde. That's it. Telefon, Telefone. You want to try it? Schuh. Ja, die Aussprache, the pronunciation is Schuhe. This is Karaffe. Do you remember? Könnt ihr euch erinnern? Der Plural? Kirche. Noch ein einfaches? Still an easy one? Okay. Mach den Plural von Karotte. Dann gibt es ein Plural, der ist speziell. There is a special plural because then you have to move your mouth in another way. Like Stadt is the city, and it's a very short word with a vowel like a A, or there are also words with O or U, and they change into umlaut. So if you hear A, it becomes Ä. If you hear O, it becomes Ö. And if you hear U, it becomes Ü. So in a noun, if you see a umlaut, it can be a marker that is a plural form of the noun. Like Stadt, Städte. Why you have to add the E? If you remember, words ending on consonant, they have to add the E for the plural, in this case also the umlaut. Oi. An zwei Dinge muss ich denken. I have to think on two things. Well, we're gonna exercise this later now together. Stadt, Städte. Or if you have Stuhl, which is the chair. What is the plural of Stuhl? You're getting close, ja, ihr seid nah dran. Okay, Boot. Ja, mit dem E, with the E. Dann Regenschirm. Ist einfach. Another special plural form is if you have like a word like house. House, it's a short word and maybe you have to add you have to change into a umlaut, yeah. And you have to add ER, like Haus, Häuser. Haus, Häuser. Very special is also Mann, Männer. And try it with Buch, umlaut and ER. Ja, das ist es. Bücher. Okay. By the way, we remember the pronunciation of the last er, Bücher. We often pronounce it Bücher. So if you hear a, it's no Italian word like donna, gonna, bella. No, it's just a simple German word, Bücher, Männer, but pronounced Bücher, Männer. Okay, then some plural forms, they add the en, like Uhr, Uhren. Then you have the plural, and the article is always die Uhren, the watches, if you are too rich. Gut, oder Frau, Frauen. Okay. Dann gibt es ein Plural, der ist euer bester Freund. It's your best friend because it does not change. Words on er, en and el do not change. Die ändern sich nicht im Plural. So, ein Beispiel, one example, you have der Pullover, pronounced der Pullover. Die Pullover, pronounced Pullover, die Pullover. Das heißt, that means if you hear a word like computer, teller, what is the teller? The plate. Then you know the plural does not change. Die Computer, die Teller, Fernseher, the television, die Fernseher. A lot of professions and nationalities, you know, der Bäcker, the baker, or der Italiener, oder ich weiß nicht, woher du kommst, der Engländer, der Spanier, and the plural form is also die Spanier, die Engländer, die Italiener. Okay, it does not change. Or like Kissen, the pillow, plural, it does not change. Oder Löffel, plural, die Löffel. Der Löffel, Singular, die Löffel, plural. Okay, so das sind die Regeln, and I will show you the objects. Ich werde euch die Gegenstände zeigen, and I will give you the plural form, and you try to remember what was the singular form, okay? Taschenlampen, Birnen, Kerzen, Bälle, Karaffen. Okay, I will mix. Do you remember the plural form? I will give you the singular form, okay? Kerze, Ball, Taschenlampe, Birne, Karaffe. You see, it's easy. With the words on E, just at the end. Please do not forget, when I give you a rule, it's not a 100% rule. So there are some words ending on E, maybe they're not, but it should help you to remember, okay, normally you have the E, you just at the end. Okay, I will give you the plural form. You try to remember on your own the singular. Schuhe, Telefone, Autos, Radios, Bücher. Okay, ich mische die Karten. Ich gebe euch den Singular und ihr versucht euch an den Plural zu erinnern. Please try to remember the plural form. Telefon, Auto, Yeah, this was special. I did not mention it at the beginning because Auto becomes Autos. Why you add the S? Because it's no original German word. So you use the Spanish system. Auto, autos. Like hombre, hombres. Okay, radio. Schuh. Yeah, please try to remember the pronunciation is Schuhe. Yeah, you do not have to aspirate the H, like Schuhe. No. Buch. Ja, Buch, like Häuser, Bücher, Männer. Noch eine Runde, Plural, okay? Häuser. Städte. Karotten. Boote. Mützen. Maybe you have seen, no? There are some easy ones like Mütze and the plural. You just add the N. Haus. You really get it? Häuser at the first time? Nicht schlecht, not bad. Stadt. Yeah, if house was easy, Städte, it was, yeah, das war Pipifax, we say in German, when it's too easy. Das war Pipifax. Karotte. By the way, Pipifax, Karotten, you just at the end. And Boot. Boote. Okay. Das ist der Plural. We will have surely another video with the plural forms, exercising the plural forms with some more rules. But this is the most important at the beginning. You have to know. I will summarize. Eine Zusammenfassung. Der Artikel ist immer die. Dann gibt es einfache Regeln. There are easy rules like Katze, words ending on E, you just add the N. Katzen, Tasse, Tassen, Tasche, Taschen. Then there are words ending on consonant, and you just add the E. Boot, Boote, Hund, Hunde. And then there are these special with the umlaut. Maybe first you have to train your mouth a little bit, like Haus, Häuser. Oder Buch, Bücher. This is special because you add the ER. And then normal is like Hand, Hände. Stuhl, Stühle. Or Arzt, the doctor, Ärzte. And some of them, they do not change, like Pullover, Computer, and all the words on EN, like Mädchen, Kissen, und Löffel, does not change. Ja, das war's. Vielleicht macht ihr gleich mit dem nächsten Video weiter. Maybe you will continue with the next video. Otherwise, see you tomorrow. Wir werden uns morgen sehen oder bis bald. Ciao.